If your Steam game is not launching, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. These steps are simple, safe, and they solve the most common causes of Steam games failing to open, freezing on launch, or just not responding at all. And before we get into it, if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, we're going to start with the simplest fix, because in a lot of cases the problem is just a temporary glitch. Close Steam completely, not just the window. Make sure it's actually shut down by checking the system tray near the clock. If Steam is still running in the background, right-click it and exit fully. Then restart your PC. This clears out temporary issues, refreshes background processes, and can instantly fix launch problems. After the restart, open Steam again and try launching the game. If it still won't open, the next step is to verify the integrity of your game files. This is one of the best fixes when a game launches incorrectly because it checks for missing, damaged, or corrupted files and replaces them automatically. To do this, go to your Steam library, right-click the game that is giving you trouble, and choose Properties. From there, click the Installed Files tab. You'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that and let Steam scan everything. Depending on the game size, this may take a few minutes, but it's worth it. Steam will re-download anything that's broken or missing, which often fixes launch failures without you needing to reinstall the whole game. Once that finishes, try launching the game again. If the game still refuses to open, the next thing to do is clear the Steam download cache. A corrupted cache can cause weird issues with downloads, updates, and even game launching. To clear it, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, open the Downloads tab, look for the option called Clear Cache next to Clear Download Cache, and click it. Steam will restart automatically after this, so log back in once it reopens. After that, try launching the game again and see if the issue is resolved. If it's still not working, the final step in this guide is to update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common reasons games fail to launch, especially after a game update or a Windows update. Whether you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, make sure you download the latest driver from the official website or use the manufacturer's update software. Install the newest version, restart your computer after the update, and then open Steam and test the game again. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will completely fix the issue. So to quickly recap, restart everything, verify your game files, clear the Steam download cache, and update your graphics drivers. If you follow those in order, you have a very strong chance of getting your Steam game launching properly again. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy gaming fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.